Hello kids. So how are you all? Hope you all are fine. And when I say you hello children, you also reply me with a hello. Otherwise, I am thinking that you are not listening this video. So whenever I am saying hello, you reply with a hello. Okay children. So today we have a second lesson, and that is our second lesson is a changing lifestyle. So over a period of time, lifestyle of people around the world have changed. This change has come from invention, discoveries, and advancement of a technology which has made our life better. Earlier days, you already knowing that earlier days people had travel on a bullock cart and a ship and these things. So in this lesson we will going to be learn about the different means of transportation, clothes, food, that things. So let me start our lesson with the transport. Go. So let me start our topic children with the transport. So before starting this video, you must bring your book and copy and with a pencil. As I have drawn the figure, you also draw this. Understood children? Go and bring it fast. Yeah, all you are ready with a pencil and a copy. So let me go with the transport. What is a transport? Transport means of traveling. It's called a transport. So here we have going to see transport. There are three types of transport. How many types of transport? There are three types of transport. First one is a land transport. Land transport, that means all vehicle that moves on road where the vehicles are moved on the road. Can you tell me an example? Write an example like a bus, truck, cars, etc. These are the land transport. These are called the land transport, and train also it comes in the land transport. Land move on track that are laid on the ground. Train move on the track. This is called a track. Laid on the ground. Earlier train used steam engine, but nowadays train moves with the help of diesel, oil. Understood children? So these are the land transport. Next we have a water transport. What is the definition of the water transport? Vehicles that moves on water. Where children? The vehicle that moves on the water, that are called a water transport. What are the example? Example like a ship, like a boat, yacht. These are the example of the water transport. Understood children? So these vehicles, they carry loads and people also. There are two types of transport in this the transport that carries a good, and some transport that carries the people also. So these are the water transport. With the help of the water transport, people can be go the different countries. They can cross the river, seas. So these type of means of transport are called water transport. Next we have a air transport. So let me see, the next one is a air transport. Air transport are the fastest means of transport on earth. So they fly in the sky. Where they fly? They fly in the sky. And they also carries load and people. So what are the example of the air transport? Helicopter, aeroplane. These are the example of the air transport. Children, do you know the people traveling long distance is possible in the short time? So in a air transport, where these helicopters and the planes stand, they all stand and they all are land on a airport. So what is the airport? You all are knowing about the airport. So what is the airport? Airport is a place. What is a airport? Airport is a place where aeroplanes land, take off and are kept for maintenance. What is a airport? Airport is a place where aeroplane land, take off and are kept for a maintenance. All have understood? You all are writing with me? Good. Next is a runway. What is a runway? Runway is a long stretch. It is look like that. So runway is a long stretch on which an aeroplane moves before taking off or landing. You have seen how the aeroplane moves. First of all, it's walk, it's run on this runway, and then after it's take off. Understood, children? So here we have completed these three means of transport. First one is a land transport, second is a water transport, and third one is a air transport. So you all have to write these in your copy. So next here we have completed the transport. Next day we will meet with the next topic, that is food and eating habit. Understood, children? So goodbye, children. Hope you all are enjoying this class. Next day we will meet with a new topic, that is food and eating habit.